May I come in?
Uh,
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. You can take a start. You can introduce yourself to all of us.
Thank you so much for having me here. I am Aisha Athar. I belong from Faisalabad, from where I have done my early education till FSC. After FSC, I got admission in LUMS, and in 2018, I graduated from LUMS with a bachelor's degree in accounting and finance. During my undergraduate, I did multiple internships and volunteer work as well. Currently, I'm working at Ibrahim Fibers Limited, Faisalabad, as a finance officer. My main responsibilities include business material requirement planning and business intelligence project and some part of product costing as well. During my personal and professional life, my interaction with public officials encouraged me to opt for a civil service examination. And I appeared for civil service examination in 2021. And today I have the pleasure of sitting in front of you.
Thank you. So you are based in Faisalabad,
Faisalabad.
and this is finance officer Ibrahim Fibers.
Yes, sir.
This is the company where you. Can you tell us about the textile sector of Pakistan? Give us an overview of textile sector.
Right, so sure, sir. So, Faisalabad is the main hub for textile market. The products which are manufactured in Faisalabad textile sector are yarn and polyester staple fiber. Our company is also a pioneer in polyester staple fiber. So the major products are these two. The textile, which is fabric, is mostly manufactured in Karachi. So the yarn, which is manufactured in Faisalabad, there are other companies as well which manufacture yarn in Faisalabad. One is Crescent Textile Mills, and other are Interloop is also a pioneer, which is also trading internationally as well. It's also located in Faisalabad.
What is the value addition chain in Faisalabad about this textile sector?
Value addition?
By the raw cotton.
Yes.
When it is processed.
Yes, raw cotton is basically procured at the harvest season, which is I guess around July to September, and then the cotton is harvested and then it is cleaned. Sometimes through manually cleaned and in machine. There are certain machinery deployed as well for the cleaning of cotton. And other than cotton, there are also some synthetic fibers which are manufactured which is PSF, and the yarn which is made is comprised of, sometimes it is purely cotton, and the other blends or counts are also manufactured which blend polyester staple fiber and cotton as well. And then these further go into coloring sector, and where the yarn is colored and textile or fabric is made as a final product.
In a company.
Yes, sir.
What they are producing?
Polyester staple fiber and yarn. There are two main products.
Fiber and
yarn.
You have done your bachelor degree in accounting and finance.
Yes, sir, bachelor's.
What is this audit function?
Audit is basically a body or a framework which checks and balances on the accounting transaction. For example, in a company, if certain transactions are being made and recorded by accounts department, audit is there to check whether these transactions are recorded and financial statements are being made according to international standards, and there are certain controls which are employed on these transactions, that there is no misstatement in these transactions.
Welcome to CSP's Academy for CSS PMS preparation. CSS PMS तहरीरी इम्तिहान के तमाम मज़ामीन की ऑनलाइन और ऑन कैंपस तैयारी के साथ साथ सब्जेक्ट सिलेक्शन, असाइनमेंट चेकिंग, क्लास टेस्ट, मॉक एग्जाम, इंडिविजुअल टीचर डिस्कशन और फीडबैक सेशन का इनकाद किया जाएगा। इसके अलावा FPSC की तजवीज़ करदा बुक्स से बने मयारी नोट्स और CSP पब्लिशर की बेहतरीन बुक्स मुहैया की जाएंगी। रजिस्टर नाउ एट 0316 570 1593
or record keeping.
There is a constitutional office of Auditor General of Pakistan.
Yes, sir.
Under what article of Constitution it is established?
Sir, I'm not sure which article it is.
You are Audit and account finance officer.
Yes, sir.
इसको देख लेना. And what is their function? Auditor General के functions क्या है?
The Auditor General also is responsible to check the accounting functions, whether the salaries are being disbursed at the and are recorded in the right way, and it also provides controls on the accounting function and finance division of the government machinery, that there is no misstatement or corruption or in the procedure of accounting transactions and disbursements.
Any update about Balochistan crisis issue? There was a political crisis.
Yes, sir. There was a no confidence move against the ex-Chief Minister Jam Kamal, and he himself resigned from the seat, and now the new Chief Minister Abdul Quddus Bizinjo has taken his seat.
He has taken over.
Yes, sir.
And any update about that TLP demonstration?
Yes, sir. There were talks going on yesterday, and the government was sure that they will be able to convince TLP to stop their march. But there was again news that the march they have started their march again from Gujranwala onwards till Islamabad. But the government is taking certain measures to stop them from entering Faisalabad. For example, they are blocking roads, etc. And there is rain, and the rangers is also on high alert, so that if any inconvenience happens and they do not stop, then rangers is there on the front line to stop them from entering Islamabad.
Thank you. Absolutely.
PAS is your first choice.
Yes, sir.
What functions do you think you will be expected to perform as a PAS officer? Let's say the Deputy Commissioner.
As a Deputy Commissioner, I suppose that I would be responsible for a district level management and all the offices which are government offices, departments which are under district Deputy Commissioner. For example, there are waste management companies, there are horticulture departments, and in addition to that, the civil life is also under the civil life, and their aspirations, their demands, and the controlling of the private sectors and whatever the civil functions entails, they are under the domain of district management and Deputy Commissioner.
You have missed the land revenue
Yes, sir. This
function.
Yes, sir. That is also in
That's
the
also an
domain.
important function performed. Where is South China Sea?
South China Sea is on on the southern side of the China and India, and on the west of the Malaysia, Indonesia.
Okay. Why there is so much of convergence of interest of superpowers over there?
Yes, sir. Right now, USA is the superpower, which it wants to remain till it wants to remain a superpower. But there is a movement, and there is clashes. There is a certain rise in power of China as well, because they are cooperating with other nations and developing trade routes to increase their trade level and increase its power and its influence on the eastern side or over the whole world. So there is a clash between China, and mainly between China and USA, because China is building trade routes in the form of belt and road initiatives with different countries to improve its trade routes, and so that its economy can grow better and it can supersede maybe USA as well. That is why there is a clash between those two countries.
How do you see the decision of the Supreme Court with respect to Nesla Tower at Karachi?
Sir, Nesla Towers was built in illegal. Sir, yesterday I was seeing this news that residents are being vacated from the Nesla Tower, but there was other options which government could take, better options government could take. Government can opt for not demolishing the whole building, but take the building as well and use it in some productive function. For example, make a university there, make a school there, and other actions could also be taken other than just demolishing the whole building.
Join CSPs, where we believe that your dreams are our mission. So let us be your partners in this transformative journey as we equip you with knowledge, confidence and resilience required to emerge as CSS toppers. Contact us on our given WhatsApp number 0316-570-1593 or visit our website www.csps.com.pk.
Who has said that?
But sir,
The Supreme Court? You think the Supreme Court has decided like that?
sir, I'm not sure who decided
Supreme
to
Court
do.
has decided for its demolition,
Yes, sir.
and it has been vacated.
Yes, sir.
Government has occupied the building now. They are looking for ways and means to put it down.
So, sir, there were other government can take other initiatives as well, other than just demolishing the whole building. There was cost attached to it when building that building that.
And finally, how do you see the TLP march towards Islamabad?
Sir, TLP march is obviously it is like it is not in the favor of people and not in the favor of government as well, because there is a certain uprising, there is violence, and there are better solutions than marching towards Islamabad and blocking the roads.
What
Because
should the government do?
government should first of all, but I believe government has a confused strategy, because sometimes they're calling TLP as militant and sometimes they're saying no, these are not militant, will cooperate. So first of all, government should have one strategy how to deal with them, and then talk on the table, bring their whatever leaders are, bring them on the table and ask what they want, ask their demands, and then tell them why their demands cannot be fulfilled, and see if their demands can be fulfilled. So there is always a middle ground for both the parties whenever there is an agreement. So government should strive to convince TLP why can't we send for a foreign ambassador or French ambassador back, because there is obviously Pakistani diaspora over there in France which need consular access to Pakistan, and even if they are putting Islam between, then it can be convinced that Islam is a religion of peace. Islam does not ask people to cut ties with anyone, because Islam did not spread in this way.
Aisha, what is the difference between an ambassador and a high commissioner?
Ma'am, I suppose ambassador is someone who goes to other countries and represents its country there, and a high commissioner is I'm not sure, but he's the main leader of that body, that foreign office, and ambassadors are under high commissioner, if I'm not wrong.
Do you have any idea of the structure of an embassy?
No, ma'am, not really.
Have you been following international politics, international relations?
Yes, newspaper, ma'am.
You just spoke of South China. Can you tell me about Quad?
Quad is a body which consists of 4 countries: USA, UK, India, and I suppose there is Australia or Germany or France. And it is a body to confront the Chinese initiative of Belt and Road. It's a reciprocation of Chinese initiative, and to counter the influence of China into the South China Sea. So it is also a trade agreement, bilateral, trilateral trade agreements between the Quad countries, so that Chinese initiative of trade initiatives with other countries can be reciprocated or can be conflicted.
Give your career a boost with CSS PMS preparation from Civil Services Preparatory School. Join CSS PMS for on-campus and online classes. Join us for your bright future. Civil Services Preparatory School, Jeter Markaz, Islamabad. Register now at 0316-570-1593.
Have you any idea of AUKUS?
Yes, ma'am. AUKUS is also a trilateral agreement between USA, UK, and Australia, in which USA has agreed to provide nuclear submarines to Australia. And it's in limbo currently because France is opposing this agreement, and France is saying that they have sidelined us because I guess Australia has previously dealt with finance to get nuclear submarines from France as well.
Either nuclear submarines or nuclear powered submarines?
Yes, ma'am, nuclear powered submarines.
Thank you very much, Aisha.
Aisha, what was the first book's name of Parveen Shakir?
First book was s- I'm not sure, but Khushbu was first book. Yes, sir.
Any couplet or ghazal by her? Do you remember?
Yes, sir. I can tell. One is that कूबकू फैल गई बात शनासाई की, उसमें खुशबू की तरह मेरी पजीराई की.
Any else?
Sir, I will.
So why that you did not opt for police or income tax for that matter as well?
Income taxes I have opted at the fourth number, but police is because my brother was suggesting that I should opt for police, but I think there is a special persona attached to it for the police. To be in police, there are it is kind of a manly job. That is why I thought that I would be better performing in PAS or foreign as well.
So PS, don't you think that you have to do some manly works, administration, district management?
That is different from engaging with criminals and going and handcuffing people and going to crime scenes. That is different.
Thank you.
Thank you. I think let's conclude it. Formal interview. Let's get into the informal discussion. You are the best judge of yourself. Now you tell us how you have performed.
Better than yesterday, I suppose, but there is some knowledge gap, I guess. I have to see that.
I think you're good. You're mashallah good. You need to keep it up. कब है इंटरव्यू? 15
Sir, परसों मंडे को.
परसों है. अच्छा अच्छा. नहीं माशाल्लाह you are good. You are very intelligent. पर्सनालिटी आपकी बहुत अच्छी है. Your communication skill, body language और आपकी spoken very fine. You are quite confident. Knowledge तो gap आना ही आना है ना. हर चीज़ तो बंदा हाफिज नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है ना. तो I think you are fully.
Sir, introduction.
Introduction is fine. You have introduced yourself very well. That is good. इतना ही होता है इंटरव्यू. ठीक है ना. तो you go with the confidence you are making. You are going to make your day there. ठीक है. तो best of luck. आप सबको एडवाइस करें.
करंट अफेयर्स पर आप दें. आप देखना नेस्ला टावर के बारे में आपको हाल तक करंट इशू है तो जो है
I'll look into this.
आपको पता नहीं, यू आर नॉट करंट ऑन इट. तो दूसरा फिर ये पैस की सर्विसेज के बारे में भी आपने जवाब दिया. तो जो फंक्शन इसके होते हैं वो तो पता होने चाहिए आपको. वो आपके फिंगर टिप्स पे होने चाहिए. ये 4-5-6 फंक्शंस हैं जो मुझे एज डिप्टी कमिश्नर करने पड़ेंगे. ये कोई ऐसी मुश्किल बात नहीं है. आप पता कर सकती हैं.
I'll look into this, sir.
हाँ. तो बाकी ठीक है. कोशिश करें. और थोड़ा एनर्जी लेवल आपका जो है ना वो ज़रा डाउन लग रही है. आप बहुत आहिस्ता एट टाइम्स जब आप वो शेर सुना रही थी मुश्किल से मतलब समझ सके कि आपने क्या कहा. तो वो ज़रा अपना एनर्जी लेवल भी ठीक करें ना. शीशे के सामने खड़े होकर ज़रा करिए. ज़रा थोड़ी सी अपनी आवाज़ में जान पैदा करें.
जी सर.
बेटा आपके नॉलेज गैप बहुत है और अगर आपका 3 दिन में है इंटरव्यू और आपने फॉरेन सर्विस को भी ऑप्ट किया है, पैनल में फॉरेन सर्विस ऑफिसर हैं, they'll ask you questions and you don't have any idea. आपको नहीं पता कि हाई कमिश्नर और एम्बेसडर एक ही चीज़ होता है. सिर्फ एम्बेसडर इज़ in any embassy and high commissioner is accredited to a commonwealth country. So वही मतलब I can be high commissioner to Australia but I would be ambassador to Argentina. So it is the relationship of the country to which you have been accredited. इसी तरह क्वाड का आपको कुछ नहीं पता. इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस आपका बहुत वीक है और उधर इंटरव्यू में ज़्यादातर सवालात इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस के आएंगे. So read up all the newspapers, find out more about all these things. General concepts हैं, लेकिन बीच में सारी कलाबाजियाँ हैं. So be focused. If you have your facts, you'll be able to give right answers. Otherwise, वही roundabout way रहेगा, which doesn't go well for you. As regards the personality is concerned, you have a nice personality. It's a nice color you're wearing, but I would recommend कि without frills, without anything, simple dress लो, pants का भी और shirt का भी.
मैम वो सॉलिड कलर्ड है जो इंटरव्यू के लिए है.
Otherwise, you're fine, and I wish you all the best.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम.
जी आयशा, मेरा ख्याल है मोर और लेस यही चीज़ें हैं. थोड़ा सा अपना ख़ास तौर पे इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे करंट अफेयर्स को पॉलिश करें. अगले 2-3 दिन ये जितने भी मेजर इश्यूज हैं जैसा मैम ने हाईलाइट किए हैं, इनके ऊपर थोड़ा सा इंफॉर्मेशन और ओपिनियन डेवलप करें.
थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.